Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Gonna do another knife unboxing today. This one is from CJRB and I believe this is a fairly new knife to CJRB, and I saw it and I thought, you know what, I like that. I think I need to add that to the collection. So we'll get this box out of the way. This is the first case I've had from CJRB. Oh, look, you can put a second knife in here. Nice. And I'll get this knife out. Oh, open up the bag. Oh, it's got a little bit of weight to it. This is the CJRB Pyrite. And just looking at the piece of paper that it came with, and these were on for 62 bucks, and I think it's, is it aluminum, does it say? I think it's maybe stainless steel because it has a little bit of weight to it. So the scales are, I believe, stainless steel. I'll let you know when I do the review. Got thumb stud opening, and got some jimping there, got a lanyard hole, reversible pocket clip, and a button lock, which was one of the reasons I thought I would check this out. And we have a finger choil there, and first opening, it works well. The button lock seems to work well. Yeah, no problem with the pivot there. It flips open quite easily. Actually, that's pretty darn smooth. So, oops, almost do the reverse flick if I get my finger out of the way. And now I can't do it. Okay, whatever. But it is pretty smooth. Liking that pivot. I'm going to say off the bat, not actually a huge fan of just the stainless steel liner or scales, but you know what, it's okay. They are rather smooth, so not the grippiest, but so far liking the button lock. It works well. You can see it disengages the blade pretty easily. Blade falls down. I think this will work. CJRB Pyrite. And the steel on this, it is, what is the steel on this? It is the RMP9, the AR RMP9 steel. So it's a pretty good steel on there. It'll hold an edge good, and yeah, liking this. Feels good in the hand. I would have preferred different scales though. That's probably the only thing I'd change on this. But other than that, it seems to work very well. I have no complaints about the pivot and the opening. It fires very well. So CJRB Pyrite, sorry, not pirate, Pyrite. And check those out, and I know CJRB has a few new ones out. Lots of knife companies coming out with new ones, but that's the Pyrite. So I'll be doing a review on that down the road here. Watch for other reviews coming up, and thanks for joining me on this quick unboxing and first impressions. Appreciate you taking time to watch, and until the next time we're together, you have a great day, and take care.